Hey Warren, my name is Jose. I believe we spoke to you a couple of days ago about sending you this video on how to get more traffic coming in through your website and to start helping you dominate your competition. And these are tips that you can actually implement yourself onto your website. So I don't want to get take too much of your time and or my time. So let's get to it. So the first thing, Warren, is you want to get more content. And by content, I mean your images and your keywords. Everything that's highlighted here is what Google reads when it crawls your website. So, for example, this picture right here, this image. If I go to Save As, see how it's saved under C21? What you want to do is save it under a keyword. By keywords, I mean the words that people type in Google when searching for your services. So, for example, save it as crime scene cleanup, Dallas TX. Crime scene cleanup, Houston TX. So each one of these images you want to do that to, but also you want to get about 1,000 to 1,500 words on your website, on your front page, and fill it with these keywords as well. And that way, when somebody types that into Google, Google says, "Hey, these guys offer that service," and connects you to them, therefore ranking you in the front page. So I pulled up a couple of your competitors and I put all of you in this tool that I use that shows me your stats. And as you can see, um, these guys have 316 keywords are being found for. These guys have 37, and I believe you guys had about 200, 388. But how many are you being found for is the question. So let's go ahead and check that out. So in order to be found, you need to be on the front page of Google. Because it's rare that somebody makes it past the front page. So you need to be in positions 1 through 10. So see here, you're in the third position, but still in the front page. Now, if we scroll down a little bit, you're already in the 10th position, which is the bottom of the page. Anything under this, you're not being found for. Okay, so for example, biohazard cleanup. See how it has no location? That's going to cause you to get calls around the nation. Crime scene cleanup Dallas, 50 searches a month. You're at the bottom of the page for that. How to be a crime scene cleaner, death cleanup services, 10 searches a month. You're at the bottom of the page for that. AAA cleaner, 350 searches, sixth position for that. And ideally, you want to be in first position for all of these because first position takes a lot of the clicks. Okay, so let's take a look at your competitors here. And honestly, it looks like your industry hasn't discovered this yet, so uh, you're at an advantage by having this video. So it looks like third position, third position, third position for these words, and it keeps going as well. And they're ranking for about the same amount of words that you guys are. Okay, so the second tip that I have for you is power. Okay, so in order to get power to your website, you need backlinks. And what a backlink is a link on somebody else's website that points back to yours. And so see this UR is your front page power and the DR is your overall website power. And so it looks like these guys have some sort of a franchise or they're national, so they're getting power from somewhere else because they only have nine backlinks. So see these biotech has a 30 UR and a 20 overall website power. So what you need to do is target high-powered backlinks, which is high-powered websites, because some of that website actually gets transferred onto your website, pulling your scores up. But if you have backlinks on weak websites, then it'll pull your score down, obviously. So the third tip I have for you is here on the map pack. And what you want to do on this map pack in order to start outranking all your competition is get citations. What a citation is a anytime you list your business name, phone number, and address on an online directory such as Yelp.com or YellowPages.com, that's what a citation is. And there's some online tools that will allow you to see how many your competitors have. So what you want to do is get about 20 or 30 more citations than them, and that will immensely help you outrank them here on this map pack. And this map pack brings you a lot of leads, as this organic section does as well. So those are the 3 tips I wanted to give you. Number 1, content, words and images filled with keywords. Number 2, backlinks to get this power up. And number 3, map pack. Okay, citations. So remember, these are things you can implement onto your website yourselves. It just takes a lot of time and energy and research. So if you guys need any help, feel free to reach out to me. My name is Jose with SEO Monster Design, and my number is 806-268-7118. You have a good one. I hope this helps.